everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing with me today. This is an unboxing video. I decided, okay, that the reason why I have my robe on is because it's early in the morning and I just woke up and brushed my teeth and washed my face and stuff like that, and then I get a knock on the door saying I had a package. So it's like 10 o'clock. So yeah, that's why I have my robe on. But we are going to do an unboxing today. I got it from Ulta. So what I decided to do is start getting into the makeup world and things like that. I have the hair down pat. So what I want to start working on now is the makeup. And so yeah, we're just gonna open this box together. It feels really light. Okay, so what I decided to start with first, like makeup wise, is my eyebrows. I have really bushy eyebrows, and so yeah, my eyebrows. Yeah, so what I got is this right here. I got this from Ulta. My friend recommended that I get this to start out with. So this is the Arch Obsessions 5-piece brow kit in chocolate mousse, and it is by Morphe. My bad, y'all. I had to get my thumbnail. So yeah, it's in chocolate mousse, and we're just gonna see what's in here. I'm nervous. Okay, so when you open it up, it comes like this, and then okay, so what is this? Highlighter stick illuminator. I don't know how to use any of this. So this is the Lord Jesus, the highlighter stick illuminator. I don't know what this is used for, so I have to call my friend and ask her, because yeah. Oh, I know what this is. This is the pencil. No, this is the spoolie. Yeah, that's what this is. That's what this is right here. So you like, hold on. Let me open her up. So this is what you use to fill in your brows. The little spoolie thing here. Okay, so this is how you like do your brows or whatever. So I think you just do them up like that, right? I've been watching tutorials too, and most of the girls, they do their eyebrows like that, and then they give it a little arch like that, and then they go like that, and then they do the little arch thing, and then they fill it in with the stuff. Okay, so this is the chocolate mousse. This what this is right here. Oh, it's upside down. That's what this is. This is the chocolate mousse. This stuff can smell kind of good. So that's what this is. And then what is this? Oh, Jesus. So this is, I don't know. Oh, brow setting gel. Okay, that's what. Yeah, I have to look at the tutorial all over again. So this is the brow setting gel. And then next you have, I believe this is the pencil. Next you have, okay, so this is the micro brow pencil. And yeah, I don't know nothing about this. But this is, okay, so this has a spoolie too. I thought that was the pencil. Okay. Okay, we're learning. Okay, so this is, I believe, that's the pencil. And so this is the spoolie. Okay. I'm a bit confused. I'm not, y'all, I don't know. Y'all know, I don't know nothing about this. You feel me? I don't know anything about anything. So I definitely have some tutorials to watch on this stuff. I have my concealer. Well, I can't really do anything with my brows yet because I got some concealer. I got the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So yeah, I got that from Amazon. And then, so yeah, I'm not gonna do my brows yet because I don't know what I'm doing. I need to see. Yeah, I need to see. Okay, so yeah, that is it. So okay, I got this is the brow setting gel. Okay, and then I got the pencil. What is this? Okay, micro brow pencil. I got the pencil here. And then I got the, I'm gonna say spoolie brush to do your thing with. And then I got the Oh Brow Baby highlighter stick, which I don't know what this is. I'm not sure. Do you use this in place of concealer? Y'all, I'm confused. I don't know. You know what? It's gonna be okay. It can't be that complicated. And then I got the stuff. This is the stuff. The chocolate mousse dip stuff. What is this? It just said, oh, brow cream. Chocolate mousse brow cream. Okay. So I don't know anything about anything. I have to call my friend and ask her, like, what am I doing? Because she told me what to get. And so I got it. And now that it's here, I don't know what to do. Or maybe I'm going to call her when my concealer comes. Because my concealer is supposed to come Saturday. And today is Thursday. So I'm going to call her when all my stuff is here. And then I'm going to ask her, what do I do next? Because I'm confused. But we work in progress, okay? You know, I'm turning 23 and I decided, you know what? It's time for me to learn how to do some makeup. All I used to do was lashes and highlighter. And, you know, yeah, I want to learn how to do my eyebrows. That's something I've always wanted to learn how to do. And I have, you know, my brows are just naturally like this. I don't do anything to them. So I want to learn. You know. I'm grown. I want to be grown. I want to feel grown and sexy. Natural is always beautiful. Remember that. I want you all to remember, yeah, there's nothing wrong with being natural. But there's also nothing wrong with wanting to enhance. Okay, don't go overboard. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with enhancing, no, you feel me? I don't feel like I need foundation. or yeah, I don't feel like I need foundation or anything like that. So I really don't even, I'm not even finna try to find my shade of foundation and stuff. That's just overwhelming. I'm just gonna start with the eyebrows first, and then maybe do a lash, you know, here and there. Maybe some neutral eyeshadow, and then we'll be fine. But I really want to get my brows on point, because I had got my eyebrows done by this girl, and she was like, your eyebrows are so beautiful, like they're so thick, and she loves like doing thick brows. And when I had seen her do my brows, I was like, oh, I like this on me. And so yeah, that's what intrigued me to reach out to my makeup friends. And so yeah, I got this. So I'm actually not finna play with this, because this was only like $20, I believe. I'm not finna play with this because I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm not trying to mess nothing up. This stuff looks new. I mean, it is new, but you know, y'all know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to mess nothing up, especially if I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna watch some more tutorials, and I'm gonna call my friend after I get my concealer on Saturday, and then I'm gonna call her and hit her up and let her know I got my stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you know how to do your eyebrows. Let me know if you just like to stay natural. Let me know what you use for your brows. And give me some guidance, okay? Give me some tips and tricks. Comment down below anything you know about eyebrows or makeup in general. I don't know anything about makeup. So please give me some guidance if you have any for me, and some tips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kylie Latrice, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.